Good morning, guys. We are headed out to do some errands this morning, and I figured I would bring you guys along. All the girls are going with me today, and so I figured it'd be a fun time to do a run errands with us video. We are going to go to Michael's and to the library and to New Seasons, but before we leave, I wanted to show you what I'm prepping in my Instant Pot. My husband is going to be home probably home early from work today, so when he is home early, I usually try to make our main meal a lunch meal or a late lunch meal, and so that's what I'm going to have prepped for today. I am going to do wild rice soup. I have chicken in the freezer that's all chopped up and ready to go from my Zycon Fresh order that I showed you last week. And I have one more soup base in my freezer that I'm going to use. I need to make some more of those here pretty soon. The only thing that I don't have ready is the wild rice. So I am going to get that started in my Instant Pot and let it cook while we are gone. And then when we get home, I'll be able to throw everything together and I'll be able to cook the soup really quickly. So let me show you real quick how I'm cooking my wild rice. I'm going to be making extra wild rice. I always try to do that when I'm making something like wild rice or beans and get some put away into the freezer for another meal. Just makes my life easier for next time. So I'm going to cook 3 cups of wild rice, and that's going to give me a lot. So I'll be able to put plenty away in the freezer. And I always look at the cook time and the water to grain ratio in the recipe book that comes with the Instant Pot. And I found it to be very accurate, so that's what I try to use. So I have wild rice right here, 1 cup of wild rice to 3 cups of water, and then cook 25 to 30 minutes. And I know that it's going to sit on keep warm mode for quite a while, which it will continue to cook a little bit. So I'll just do the minimum time, the 25 minutes of cook time. So I have my 3 cups of wild rice. I'm going to rinse that real quick. And then add 9 cups of water plus the rice to the Instant Pot plus a big pinch of salt. There's my rinsed rice. 8 cups, 9 cups, and a bunch of salt. Now I'll lock my lid, make sure it is on sealing. And I'm just going to put it on manual high pressure. You could use the multigrain, you'll get the same results either way. And I'm going to put it down to 25 minutes. There we go.
I'm right here.
You look beautiful.
I'm right here.
You're right here. Oh, I see you. Can you see yourself in the camera?
Yeah.
Yeah, because you have your glasses on. You can see so well. That's so great.
Can you...
Cherry, I love your headband.
Thanks. And is the dots gonna go away?
Yeah, on the video they will.
My headband.
Oh, Renee, what is wrong?
My headband.
Well, we didn't bring you a headband because you have your glasses on. It's hard to wear glasses and a headband.
I can help Brenda put this headband on.
You are so sweet, Charity. Thank you for sharing. Do you want to try that one?
I can hold it.
You want to just hold it?
Okay. Here you go.
Charity, that was so kind. Thank you so much.
What? It's like this.
Yeah, is it a headband with a flower?
Yeah.
It's so beautiful.
It's
Wasn't Charity so kind to share that with you?
Yeah.
What do you say to her?
Thank you, Kevin. Welcome.
We'll just have some fun shopping at Michael's, and then we'll probably head to New Seasons after that. That's my guess. Just a couple things we need to pick up there, and then end up at the library last. So explain what you're working on.
I'm trying to diagram the preamble to the U.S. Constitution, and it's really confusing.
But you're really excited about it, aren't you?
Yes, I am really excited.
What kind of a 12-year-old gets excited about diagramming the preamble to the U.S. Constitution?
My kind of 12-year-old.
You're hilarious.
Thank you. I'll take that as a compliment.
Yeah.
I think in order might either be a prepositional phrase or a subordinating conjunction. I'm leaning towards subordinating conjunction. If it's a clause, what's the subject noun?
It's kind of like so that, in order that.
Yeah.
And in order that, the whole thing would be
so that is on this chart. It says it's subordinating.
So that is?
Yes. So that is a prepositional.
Yeah, so I think in order to is definitely a subordinating subordinating conjunction.
But to form is a infinitive.
You want to hold my hand?
I don't say that. It's what you want.
Oh, okay.
Enter.
Let's go. Let's go.
Let's go.
Mom, it's all moving.
Oh, yeah. Oops, be careful with that.
What are they?
Look.
What is that? Oh, those are fun. Those are the little puzzles
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
And put them in.
with shapes. You have some of those at home, huh?
Yeah, except we put them in the right hole.
Yeah, to make a bunny. What is it?
I don't know.
40% off. Dangerous stuff.
I did it. Mom, look. Little.
Pretty. They're just like yours. How exciting, Renee. Oh my goodness.
I can't really see
Oh
it.
my goodness.
It looks like it's dark in here.
They're sunglasses.
Do you want to see them?
What do you think, Cherry?
Good.
Good. That's awesome.
Yeah.
Those ones look awesome on you.
They, everything is pink.
Well, yeah. Everything is awesome.
Everything's pink.
Yeah, that would be fun, wouldn't it? You are shaking it like a rattle. Yep. We got some good deals. Got to take advantage of my special parking spaces while I still can. All right, you ready to go in? Are you going to push the little cart, Renee, with Charity? Yeah, you go get it and meet us around the corner. Well, that's a good deal for this week. We'll have to check that out. Okay, you want to go help push, Renee? Okay, go ahead. Let's go. Just be real careful. Oh, they have a free fruit basket for you today. Yeah, just a second. My hands are full.
Now I need to do the next level.
The next level?
Yeah.
Okay. I love it. So Renee, for your snack, do you want to pick out a yogurt or a Larabar?
Yogurt.
A yogurt. Okay, we're right here at the yogurts. Which kind do you want? The brown cow is on sale.
Blueberry brown cow. I would hold mine. Is this one? Oh, it is.
Yes.
No, I wonder what blueberry and chocolate taste like mixed together.
Delicious.
I wonder what it tastes like.
So we need to go check out the sprinkles and the candles.
Can I hold the candle?
Yeah, and pick out a special sprinkle and a special candle for your cinnamon rolls, for your birthday cinnamon rolls.
I'm gonna hold
Coming up
both.
soon.
I'm gonna hold my candles and sprinkles.
That'll be exciting. So they have all these sprinkles.
No.
Look
No,
at these Easter
no.
sprinkles, Charity.
No, there's
We already have these ones at
There's
home.
balls and lies in this one.
Mommy, what is those red? Oh, this one. What is those red ones?
Oh yeah, the red ones.
There's
Those
more
are pretty,
options,
aren't
though,
they?
Sherry.
These.
Oh, those are really pretty. That would be perfect on your cinnamon rolls. Let's do it. Let's do these, okay?
These are candies.
Yeah, those are cinnamon and they're spicy.
Yeah.
So you want to do this?
Yeah.
Those will look perfect on your cinnamon rolls right before Easter. They'll be like Easter birthday cinnamon rolls.
Twisty.
They're twisty. Can you show me the ones you picked? Those are amazing.
Spoon.
All right, which one did you get, Cherry? Blueberry?
Yeah.
Okay.
Can
No,
you
Renee got
open
raspberry.
this?
All right, I'm gonna help you.
Open this?
Yes, let me help you open it. Do you need some help?
Yeah.
Okay, I'll help you.
That's it.
It's gonna drip? Well, don't make a mess. What kind did you get?
Chocolate brown cow.
That's the best kind, huh?
It's one of the best. The two best are Tillamook vanilla and this one.
I see.
Vanilla bean specifically.
I got blueberry brown cow.
Yum. Look at this pretty table. You see what this table is painted with? It's painted with
Mount Hood.
Mount Hood and the reflection of Mount Hood in the river. We got some chips and some hummus for me and Renee. We're the only ones that like hummus. Do you like hummus?
Yeah.
Yeah, we're gonna have some. You like that hummus? Yeah, we got cilantro lime this time. Sounds so tasty.
It's tile.
Girls ready to go to the library now?
Are you so excited? Be careful on the floor. Well, I'll put it in. What?
You got the bag?
Yeah.
Thanks.
What's this?
Thank you. That's what hands are for, isn't it?
Yeah.
You want to hold my hand or just the bag?
That's the back.
Okay. You're doing great. Okay. Oh my goodness, thank you. Look at you being so big, climbing up the stairs all by yourself. What do you see? What do you see with your new glasses?
I see some people with like Umi goggles.
With your Umi goggles, yeah.
I'm gonna go party.
Oh, good.
Hey.
Do you see which things are magnetic?
Yeah. I see something.
Yeah. Some things are magnetic and some things are not.
It's a magnet.
Yeah, that one is. So which book are you getting?
This one.
Errands.
I'm debating between getting this. I'm debating between getting this one or not.
Yeah. You only have this one that you're reading right now? Or are you gonna read? You don't have any other at home that you're working on?
No, I don't.
So maybe you should get two, because you read them so fast.
You'll read them really fast.
She's putting the shapes all in the right thing.
You did it. Good job, Ran.
She's still learning how to do that.
Yeah.
But she doesn't
Yeah.
put this on.
She's doing great. A great
But
job.
she's still amazing with the shapes.
And you're a great teacher.
How about these books?
You ready to look for some?
These books.
Okay, pick out a few and we'll bring them home.
This.
Oh, that's a good one.
When you want this one?
That's a Mickey Mouse. You like Mickey Mouse.
You already got okay.
I want this one.
Oh, that's cute. That's level 1 reading. You could probably read that pretty soon because you're doing so well with your reading.
Can I read at home?
Yes.
Ben, can I read this to you at home? Okay. I'll pick some more too.
Okay.
Ben, that's me. Ben, you want this one? Tim. Time.
Yeah, time. Good job.
Time.
What, Talia? Go ahead.
Time
Bears
for
get pizza topped with jam. Golds get pizza topped with clams. Then this one. Penguins
time
like their
for
pizza cold.
bed.
Rats want cheese
Time
with extra
for
mold.
bed.
Ooh.
Time for bed.
Did you read that?
Yeah.
Time for
Time-
bed.
Topped with
You are such a good
carrots,
reader.
fish, pizza, cheese.
You ready to go home, Renee?
Is that one?
Let's do it. So we are home now, and you can see my wild rice has been sitting on keep warm mode for 3 hours and 10 minutes.
Daisy?
Yeah, if you stand up. So I'm just gonna get all of this wild rice out into a bowl to cool, throw some back in here with my diced up potatoes that I just diced up real fast, my bag of frozen chicken breasts, and my soup base that has the veggies and the broth and the seasonings.
10 minutes.
You think 10 minutes is good?
Yeah.
I was debating, since everything's still solid frozen, or not everything, but a lot of stuff is still solid frozen, I might do 18 minutes. I think I'll do 18 minutes. Does that sound good to you?
Yeah.
Okay, let's do it.
And to edit. Is it white or red?
White or red what?
White.
White or red what?
White.
Rice?
No, white.
White what?
White rice.
White rice?
Yeah.
Oh, no, it's actually wild rice. Here, I'll show it to you. See?
Those are seeds, though.
They do look like seeds, and they actually are seeds, technically, because you're so smart. How did you know that?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's wild rice, and we eat it in our wild rice soup with chicken that you like.
I don't want chicken.
Oh, you do too. You eat chicken all the time.
That has salt in my hand right there.
You want salt in your hand?
I did it.
Oh, I think I better reach it. So Renee loves to eat salt. She'll ask for salt in her hand. Okay, here, put your hand out.
Oh.
And she just wants a pinch of salt, like that.
Yeah.
You like it?
Yeah.
You're crazy.
So salty.
Yeah, no kidding.
You should put salt on the white so it can be salty.
That's a great idea. I put in my chunk of chopped up chicken breast. Now I'm putting in my soup base. And I'm going to add back in probably 3 cups of the cooked rice. And then throw in the potatoes.
Did you do it?
You wanted to do it with me, didn't you? Here. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Okay, let's do it together. There we go. 1, 2, 3. Thank you, Renee. All right, and I just have to add in the potatoes real quick, and then I will be ready to cook it. I'm trying to do this one-handed because I don't have my whole camera set up at the moment. Like normal, right?
Good job, Mom.
Thank you, Renee. You are so sweet. So sweet and encouraging.
I blow on the light for you.
I don't think I need you to blow on it right now.
I have to blow on it for you.
You do, huh?
Yeah.
No, let's not blow on it right now. Let's let it cool by itself. And let's get the Instant Pot started, okay?
Oh.
Okay.
Okay, Mom.
So that's all ready to go. And I'm going to hit manual and do high pressure for 18 minutes. And then we'll see where we're at that point.
And then it's ready and then we can eat some.
Yes.
Yay! It's ready.
No, it's just started cooking.
Oh, good.